Hey, guess what? You can get the Blind Shell Classic 2 in both red and black from AT Guys. Check out atguys.com/blindshell. And also check out the accessories that we have available, like a spare battery or the Blind Shell beeps. We've got all 4 cases available as well. So check out atguys.com/blindshell for more information. This is the Shell Phone Show, showing you how to do something on the Blind Shell Classic 2. Thanks to Club Unmute, unmute.show. Thanks to Charles for today's content, honestly, because I kind of forgot that I needed to publish some content. So if you want to submit something and you are open to sharing that content with the Shell Phone Show, feel free to send me over an email, Michael, Michael, at payown.media. Charles called me today because he wanted to send an email and use a hyphen sign in the text of the email. And he asked what the best way to accomplish this was. So I figured if he asked, maybe you were curious too. We'll start by accessing an edit field where we can type. Check out Adrian's content that he created a couple of months ago by searching Notes on the Blind Shell at unmute.show.
Notes, 6 of 10.
Press the OK button.
Add note, 1 of 2.
And we're going to choose Add Note.
Text.
That doo-doo means that we are able to type, and today I'm going to type Ray-Bans. They've been in the news recently. That's R, 7, press 3 times.
Capital R.
A.
X. Y.
Hyphen ban. In order to do the hyphen and pretty much any other symbol on the Blind Shell Classic 2, press and hold the pound key.
Special characters, 1 of 2.
Press the OK key.
Period, 1 of 32.
And then press your down arrow key to see what options are available. Things like comma, question mark, exclamation mark, and eventually the at symbol, your parentheses, etc. I know that the hyphen or dash symbol is number 7, so I'm going to simply press 7.
Dash, 7 of 32.
And that says 7, so we'll press OK.
Dash.
And then continue typing BAN, that's 2 pressed twice.
B.
Because A is on 2, we needed to wait for the click. A.
And
then N.
And
then if I press the top right button, you'll hear
text, Ray-Ban.
And we'll press OK.
Note saved. Add note, 1 of 2.
Note is saved, and that's how you use special symbols such as hyphens, ats, parentheses, period, comma, etc. Press and hold the pound key when typing text. Thanks for listening to today's Shell Phone Show. We hope you'll catch us back next time to learn something about the Blind Shell Classic 2. Did you know you can get more helpful content like this? Visit unmute.show for podcast contents and to learn about Club Unmute. Thanks to Andre Louis and his shorts collection for the music used in this content.